Hey, it's Rick. Welcome to the channel. I've got this unfortunate habit when I'm screen printing of sticking my thumb in the wet paint when I lift the screen. I thought, wouldn't it be easier if there was a removable handle? So I sat down in Modo and modeled this and printed it out on my FDM printer. I've put this file in my Thingiverse, link in the description. It comes in two different sizes since I've got two different sized frames. You simply press down from the top until it snaps into place, and it can be put anywhere in the frame. Hopefully this helps somebody out. If you were inspired by this video, please click the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.